guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try making the famous TikTok feta pasta. So I got all the stuff I needed. I did overpay on the feta cheese because they didn't have like the regular one. They had like a fancy one. So I did have to get that. It's Saturday and I just decided to make this spontaneously.
We got to tomorrow is Mother's Day.
Yes, it is.
Because guys, you're a girl.
Let me finish, okay?
Yes, you're
So tonight for dinner we're gonna be having the feta pasta with these like feta potatoes, I believe, and a steak. So I'm super excited for that. But I wanted to share with you guys my experience on making it and what my thoughts are on if it is good as they say it is.
Mommy's go downstairs.
So yeah, let's get into today's video. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's get started. So I'm actually gonna put this apron on so I feel a little bit more profesh. Okay. I feel like such a queen. Quick and put them all around. So I just got these cherry tomatoes from King Super, so let's just throw these around. I swear this better taste good, okay? I just washed them out in here. It has like a bunch of little holes. Okay, then it says to do some olive oil, so I'm gonna do that. You got these little oil containers are from Target, in case you guys are wondering. So let's see. So I'm gonna put Italian seasoning. I'm kind of just gonna put like whatever I want. Italian seasoning, pepper. Some salt. Around, get those seasonings going. I'm not going to put garlic in because I forgot to get garlic, but I'm sure it'll taste just as good. So get that. Maybe a little bit more Italian seasoning. Fuck it. Fuck it. Okay, so yeah, there we go. So mixing it around. At this point, I'd be listening to Morgan Wallen, but can't really do that right now because I don't want to get copyright. So now I'm gonna grab the feta. This is a feta cheese I spent freaking an arm and a leg on. This is the only one they had. So yeah, it was like $9. Okay. Oh! It had juice in it and it just spilled everywhere. That's disgusting. Oh god, that smells horrible. I don't think I like the smell of feta. Okay. I'm gonna have to mop that up, guys, real fast. Okay. Oh, that smells awful! Maybe I'm not meant to be a cook or anything. Oh, that smells so gross. Oh, it smells like rotten milk. Okay, so now that that's on there, I'm gonna drizzle some more. Drizzle some more on there. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna put this in the oven. I believe it said for 25 minutes. I'll put right here how long it says. And yeah, hopefully it tastes bomb. Okay, let me show y'all. My feta pasta before it's done. It's chilling right there, hanging out. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after it's done. If this doesn't taste good at all, I'm gonna be very, very, very upset. So I forgot to freaking film me putting the pasta noodles in. So I put the pasta noodles in and I'm just stirring them. So let's check on the feta. It's been about 10 minutes now, so looks the same. I'm excited. I hope this tastes really good. Fingers crossed. Pray for me, okay? But yeah, so once it's done, I'll share with my results with you on how I think it tastes and if it's really, really good or not. So I just took it out of the oven. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna grab a fork and start smashing this baby. Babe, can you hold the camera so I could stir in the noodles? Hold it. Don't move all crazy.
See if that ends up factoring into the equation. Get started by the broadcast partners. Emil Oliveira getting us started.
Wow, that looks really good.
That's all right. Swing on this.
I guess.
They set the vibe, right?
White Clock is brought to you by Toyota Tires.
Is your eyelashes done?
No, it's
Daddy.
Can you hold this so I can stir it in?
I love you.
Start fighting from second one. We got no beat as to what you're really in store for. What about Marana? That was crazy. That's crazy. Run over there like that. Boy, I slapped Talon fight. Michelle Watterson early.
I want that with no these. Mommy, I want that with yes these.
Hold on, okay?
Okay? You know,
Famous sidekick.
you're my giant boy. I didn't survive
My
break.
hand starts to connect. It's heavy.
Little
It's the Rodriguez finish. Tall fighter for the weight class.
Alright, babe, we gotta try it for the channel. Is right.
Recovery from Watterson after a big right hand from Rodriguez.
And I watched Rodriguez. She reminds me of Milani and Jacek when Milani was making her way to the title. That good Muay Thai base with good takedown defense, and just the way she tries to batter and bruise her opponents with her hands and her knees.
That is really good.
Very aggressive.
For how easy it was, that is really, really good.
You can tell that she's been doing Muay Thai
Daddy.
for a really long time.
Daddy.
Damn, this is really good. Babe, try it.
You're making a stir fry.
Do you want to try it, Maddie? I thought you didn't want it, babe. I was gonna eat it.
I want this bowl.
Try it.
Bowl. I got
Try it. Dang, that is so good. Oh my god, I could like literally eat this all to myself.
Hey guys, we're here and I got big and you guys.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's short video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.